There's some genes associated with in women that increase longevity, right? So that's one part of the puzzle. The other part of the puzzle is brain pathology by biological sex. There's some research indicating that, and like there's some interaction between biology and the neuropathology, meaning those that pathology that kind of like the tau and beta amyloid, which is typically associated with Alzheimer's, right? That accumulates more in the brain of women, right? Like, why is it? That's a research question to ask. We also want to think about inflammation. Think about all the chronic stressors that we endure day in and day out throughout our lives, right? Environmental stressors, right? Workforce stressors, the nuances that come with gender roles and the role of women in family, communities, and infrastructures. Think about the role of trauma, right? Finally, researchers at the NIH level are putting money and understanding the role of chronic stress throughout our life, trauma, discrimination, racism, and how those factors impact different communities at different levels, at different depths, and how that actually also increases our risk of Alzheimer's. Dr. Canyon mentioned hormones. If you haven't seen, Dr. Lisa Mosconi from Cornell University in New York just published the Menopause Brain, which is a book that's talking about hormones in the perimenopausal menopause phase that impacts brain functionality.